Hello students, you must have received an email that guides you to reset your password and log into McGraw Hill account. You can click on the link, click on forgot your password, enter your email address, click on continue. Now an email has been sent to your registered email address. A similar email will be received by you. Click on the link, create a password, click on reset password. Now go back to your email, click on this link. Now you have to enter your username or your email and enter your password. Click on login button. Once you log in, you have to enter your subject code that will be provided to you by the teacher.